What's up, folks? This is Andrew The Blacksmith coming to you from downtown Bangkok, and today I'm reviewing a product which just gives you all the information you need about drop shipping. And may I say that along with this you will get my bonuses when you buy through my link. They will be waiting for you in the members area. Okay, well this is the front end, and as you can see it's current with today's date. Thanks for purchasing. If you want to get the best results possible, now I'm going to tell you that this has got the best video instructional program I've ever seen. Very modern, just give you all the information you need, and I'm going to show you some of those. Going to get a look under the hood. Although you can make a lot of money fast with drop shipping, if you do things wrong, you can end up wasting time, spinning your wheels, not filling your store with the right products that sell fast, even worse, never getting things going or making any money at all. This is the video upgrade with drop shipping. Comes with a money back guarantee, and it's not expensive. Once you get the extra bonus. Oh, you don't get the railgun. I just put that in there for fun. But and have a look at this one. This is another review I did. That went very well. But the bonuses you do you get the 10 times commissions, the secret to the 10k commission a month in your spare time. Very good that one. And this is relative to what we're talking about, the drop shipping secrets. Find out how to use a custom product, the description to stand out in front of the crowd. Find out how to use custom product descriptions. Now that's what you need. Product descriptions. What you have to keep in mind is don't think of selling, but think you're providing a service. In other words, that's why you want these custom product descriptions. It's not just a money-making thing. Money-making is a side benefit of providing good service, building trust, etc. So when you click there, that takes you back. Okay, and then we'll stop the video. But then when you go down the bottom here, you just click the button, buy, and you will land on the next page. Excuse me. You get the training videos, which I've already downloaded, and I'll be showing you those. You get the cheat sheet. The cheat sheet, which gives you a step-by-step plan. Then you get the mind map, finding dropshippers, it's all there, point and click, and this is an interesting link, takes you straight to eBay, and gives you inside information on how to proceed. Okay, so let's have a look at the videos. Here we are. The videos. So I've been looking at them, got to tell you that they're really well put together. A lot of information. Choosing the perfect product, and that was one of the media players, and I'll choose that one. And I'll kill the sound because there should always be a clear synergy between your branding. Look at this, it's very modern. Modern information. A fitness website selling supplements. Can this work? More factors to consider in choosing a product. Does with extra bonuses. Only that small amount of money to get yourself really set up. Okay, well, if you've enjoyed this review and you like what you heard, well, hit the like button and feel free to subscribe too below in the comment section. Or it could be on the video there, you'll see, I usually put another video of interest for you to have a look at. So this is Andrew the Blacksmith signing off from Bangkok with a Wikipedia and a fan doogly.